Good morning everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the trading week is coming to an end, and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is rejecting from a very key level, our 200 daily EMA, and this trend line that we have right here, the horizontal trend line of support into resistance flip. You can see as of right now Bitcoin is failing to remain above this line right here and also drop below $80,000, but on the daily time frame you can see the bullish structure is still intact. It would be basically considered lost if we start breaking lower right here and change structure while dropping below the monthly open. So as long as we remain above the monthly open level, I believe we should be good for potentially one more leg upside, breaking this level right here and going parabolic. Now I believe $85,000 to $86,000 could be the next price target that I'm looking for. Also on ETH right here, you can see we are currently testing the value area high of this range once again, and potentially if we lose it, it could go all the way down to 2060, which is that POC level that, as you can see, is very important. But we could also front run this level and it could very well still be keeping this structure right here, which is right now forming as one very big bull flag in my opinion, which is due to break out very soon and then head to that 200 daily EMA, which is going to be around $2,600. Of course, this is not a financial advice, just sharing my technical analysis, but I do believe this is how things are going to be playing out. Solana also holding very nicely, even though we are rejecting from the value area high yet again. Solana has been stuck in this range ever since. Basically more than 90 days right now. You see 91 days in this range. Hype also holding the structure, very nice and very bullish. You can see it has not been broken yet. So as long as we remain above the monthly open level right here also, then I believe we are safe. Nasdaq still going parabolic. You can see stock market has not been slowing down at all. Of course, we are in price discovery, so we can't time our top exactly. The dollar is also trying to hold this level, but of course, if it starts breaking down to retest the lows right here, the range lows, the bigger range you can see right here and right here, then this could be very well the time where Bitcoin starts going up. USD dominance, same thing right here. You can see we have still not swept this level yet, and I believe the next leg down for USD dominance could very well start soon, and this is where Bitcoin will start reversing. It could very well be now. You can see we are testing right here on the 4-hourly the EMAs. This is where we could potentially start reversing, and also something very interesting, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance, and I believe this rally could be topping out as soon as the Bitcoin dominance rejects basically from this high right here and starts dropping aggressively like the past couple of times we have seen. And if it right now starts dropping aggressively, I believe this is where we could still see a altcoins rally, a bit like last time we got right here. Altcoins rallying, this is when the Bitcoin dominance started dropping, and I believe Bitcoin won't top out. So basically on the hard time frame right here, Bitcoin won't top out before the altcoins have a rally. So I believe Solana will be breaking out. I believe it could be heading even higher to around basically 2,500 to 2,600 could be very well a nice target for Ethereum. If we look right now on the short term, Bitcoin has been trading ever since the stop right here. I think it was on Tuesday. We have been trading below the VWAP, as you can see right here. And right now, once we get above back above VWAP, I believe we could very well reverse this rally. Also something to keep in mind, we have quite a lot of liquidations piled up right here at 77.4k, and today we got some very important news. So we could very well see some a liquidation week basically come into the market, sweep this liquidity, basically sweep the low, and then start reversing. I believe this could be the play for the week. Same thing for it right here. We could get a fake out below the monthly open, basically sweep this low right here at around 2200, and then we could very well start reversing yet again. As I said, this pattern right here on Ethereum is looking very bullish to me. This is a textbook bull flag, and I believe it could be very well soon breaking to the upside. Fear and Greed Index right now dropping. We are at 46, approaching the fear zone once again. So the sentiment shift, you can see, basically has been in the neutral zone, even though we are approaching the fear. For the past week, for the past month, we have been very well sitting in that neutral zone. Spot ETFs, we have gotten a bigger outflow, you can see yesterday, which is interesting to see. Institutions have been starting to sell off right here. So this could very well be also at the bullish scenario. This could be the top, but as I said, I don't believe this is the top for Bitcoin yet. We could top around somewhere right here, the value area low, which is sitting at $86,000 from this previous range. I believe we could still be heading there, just a slight pullback, and then we get that last 9 to 10% squeeze out of Bitcoin. And then once we get right here, we basically start reversing back to the downside. This is my trade plan, of course, not financial advice. Long versus shorts ratio as of right now, we've got a lot of shorts piling up. You can see still the bigger whales on Hyperliquid are sitting long. So this is also something to keep in mind of. And as I said, we got the most important news coming out today. So this could be very well that liquidation week lower. They drop us lower during the news, sweep this liquidity, and then we start reversing yet again. This is something that could be considered a possible scenario for today. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.